Question number 24. Oh, I consider it a privilege to teach this question because the moment you spot the hidden pattern, the whole problem collapses in seconds. So, before starting the question, let's see the pattern behind it. If you have isosceles right angle triangle, that means the two arms other than the hypotenuse, they are equal and this is right angle. Suppose this side is, let's say, x and this side is also x, and you have to find the hypotenuse in terms of x, x only, right? Then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is what hypotenuse says, right? Both are x. So x square plus x square is equal to AC squared. 2x squared is equal to AC square. Square root of both sides. AC is equal to root 2 x squared. Now I'll take the rule of exponents. I can just apply them on both, right? So that is root 2x. AC is equal to root 2x. Now whatever the value of x is, this situation is going to be true for any x. This is the pattern here, that if these two sides are equal, whatever the pattern is, the hypotenuse will be the hypotenuse will always be equal to root 2 times of that value. That is the pattern here. First thing. Second thing. Let's read the question first. A square is inscribed in a circle. The radius of the circle is 20 root 2 by 2 inches. What is the side length in inches of the square? Now, if I take this situation and draw it as a figure, this is a circle, right? And a square is inscribed in it. Whenever it comes to square or a rectangle, we know that angles are 90 degrees, so we take advantage of this extra properties. Okay, just it's not up to the square. Just imagine it's a like square, and its radius is 10 root 2 because it is given 20 root 2 by 2, so just 2 is the common factor, so that is 10 root 2. Okay, now if I just join this, right, so this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, and these two sides are equal because this is what the property of the square is. So this angle, the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. This is also 10 root 2, right? So what this pattern says, you have to multiply it with 2, root 2. So that means whatever is this x here, which is x root 2. So I am going to replace this x with 10 root 2. So that means this side of the square is equal to root 2 times 10 root 2. So that means 10 times 2, which is 20. Isn't it wonderful? Wonderful. So A is the right option, right? Every time you come up with a situation, you will directly come up with this idea that hypotenuse is root 2 times this measure of the side. This is what I have done here. This is a wonderful question. Just try it 2 or 3 times in your notebook, right?